In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a job application tracker in Notion using a free template. This is an easy way to organize your job applications, interviews, and follow-ups all in one place. Let's get started. Open Notion and go to the Templates gallery. In the search bar, type Job Application Tracker and browse the available templates. Choose the template that best fits your needs, then click Use this template to add it to your workspace. Once the template opens, take a moment to explore the layout. Most job application trackers include fields for the company name, job title, application status, application date, interview date, and notes. Start adding your job applications by clicking New and filling in the details for each position. You can also attach your resume, cover letter, or portfolio links to keep everything in one place. Customize the tracker to match your workflow by adding or removing properties. You can create status options such as applied, interview scheduled, offer received, or rejected, and add reminders for follow-ups if needed. As you continue your job search, update each entry so you always know where every application stands. This makes it much easier to stay organized and avoid missing important deadlines. That's how to create a job application tracker in Notion. Thanks for watching.